Hello again, everybody. This is Dinami Wolf. And today we are playing some more Mario 3. And there's the castle. The third frickin' one I have to beat. This pisses me off that there's so many. The next world's probably gonna be worse. Let's just get it over with. The faster I get it done, the faster I can move on. Alright? Okay, let's do this! I got back here, off-screen recording. I did win the... Well, we're back to a cat. But I did win the little lotto thing off-screen, one of them. Since apparently there's multiple ones for this area. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you! I'm not gonna do good this time, because I don't feel like I'm gonna do good. I just don't. Screw it. Yeah, okay. Screw you. Fuck you. Don't make me go that fast again! I'm exhausted, honestly. I should probably rest, but I decided to continue. Gonna let him get a little closer. Yeah! I don't care anymore. This is annoying. Just get me out of this nightmare. Okay, get me a little closer. And I just can't get the speed. Alright. Okay. Okay. Gotta go fast, 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 gotta go fast. Gotta go fuck being fast. I gotta go slow, gotta go slow, gotta go slower, slower, slower. That's the song if you play it backwards. Oh, you motherfucker! I hate you so much! Okay, gotta go. Gotta go fast, gotta go fast, gotta go fast, gotta go... Slow the fuck down, Mario! Come on, man! Don't you know to slow down? No. You know what, Mario? You know what? No. You know what? Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Okay. Let's figure him out. Okay. I don't think it's even worth it anymore. Okay. No! Boo! You know, Joe, we should probably turn this into a failtage. I wanna be the very best. No one ever was. Catch them is my real test. To train them is my cause. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide. Each Pokemon to understand the power that's inside. It's you and me. I know it's my destiny. Oh, you're my best friend in a world we must defend. A heart so true, courage will pull us through. You teach me and I'll teach you. Pokemon! Gotta catch 'em all. Yeah. Every challenge along the way, with courage I will face. I will battle every day to claim my rightful place. Come with me, the time is right. There is no better team. Arm in arm we'll win the fight. It's always been our dream. It's you and me. I know it's my destiny. Oh, you're my best friend in a world we must defend. Our heart so true, our courage will pull us through. You teach me and I'll teach you. Pokemon! Gotta catch 'em all. Gotta catch 'em all. Catch 'em all! Gotta catch 'em all! Yeah! It's you and me. I know it's my destiny. Oh, you're my best friend in a world we must defend. A heart so true, our courage will pull us through. You teach me and I'll teach you. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. Pokemon. Now here's my next hit. Let it go! If this playthrough was a car, it'd be an escape. I am sorry for that horrible joke. Okay, let's fight the turtle! I'll stamp your head down into the fucking ground! I'm gonna beat him. I have finally lost my marbles. Yeah! This is not over yet, turtle. You hear me? I have never been more serious about this. Nope! Nope! No! 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 Not today, you little fucker. Okay. Up! 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 Oh, yes! I did it! I did it! I did it! I did it! Oh, thank God! Thank God! Thank God! I was dead set on finishing this video right now. I was dead set. I did it. Let's go to the frickin' castle, guys. Oh, hey, Toad. Yeah, it's terrible. The king's a mole. Oh my gosh. Okay. You know how many Pokemon songs I had to sing to get here? 2. It almost made it to 3. So screw you, Toad. Okay. I feel a bit better now. Just make the jump. No point playing with a screw. So yep, still no point. Okay, here there might be point. Better start. Oh! Barely had to play with them. Now is where things get difficult. You see, this is where the game gets hard. As if it wasn't hard to begin with! But if I get to level 7, I might poop myself. So we're gonna check my pants if I can beat this. Oh my gosh, this game is hard. Screw it! I might make it. Oh! You see that? I was almost there! I screwed up, though. Right, last second. Where are you going?! I'm never gonna use these again, probably. So, dance, tanuki. Dance, tanuki. Oh, yoka. Chi, ho, morisha, aka. Gives me extra hits, so, you know, I could use those. Whee! We might beat this ship in the same playthrough. I might be stretching it a bit. But we might do it. I might get lucky. Has anyone ever done that? Huh. Sorry. I just had one of those things where I just kind of feel this strange urge. My mom said it was puberty. It's not. It's a whole lot more violent. It just kind of strikes and then leaves me on my knees. And I failed. I have fucking failed. I have failed the level. Goodbye, world! I hate this. I hate this game. It's one of my childhood games, yet I suck horribly at it. Up-a-doo. I was no better back then, trust me. I think the furthest I made it when I was younger was World... I don't think I ever got past World 3. I did cheat, though. Well, I used the flute to get... Oh, look! Well, that's the end of this episode. Thanks for watching Dinami's Gaming. We had Pokemon songs. Thanks for watching. Woo! Guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to leave a nice like, comment, and subscribe. And come back for some more next time. Also, click on the links to go to either Pokemon Ash Gray or Mother 3 or whatever other order it needs to be in. So, you know, I probably screw these orders up each time. So, thanks for watching, guys. This has been a long-ass episode. I am tired, but I'm going to beat that ship before I quit today. I'm going to beat that ship before I quit today. I have confidence in myself that I'm going to do it. Thanks for watching. Later.